children, how are you? Very, very good morning. This is Amita. Today's session, cell series. We will know about what is cell, and this is a part 3 of cell series. This topic will taken from CBSE pattern and for very interesting topic for grade 10, 9th and 10. Here only know about what is cell. In previous session already discussed about discovery of cell and Robert Hooke, the scientist Robert Hooke discovered cell in 1665. Okay, in 1665 the cell was discovered by Robert Hooke in 1665, and firstly second part know about already discussed about diagram of cell. Okay, here only discuss about the cell. What is cell? The cell is known as the basic structural and functional unit of life. So this is the answer. The cell, you can note down in your notebook, the cell is the basic. The cell is known as basic the cell is known as the basic. The cell is known as the basic structural and functional unit of life. The cell is known as the basic structural and functional unit of life. Functional unit of life, as all organisms are composed of cell. Okay, functional unit of life. This is a cell. Okay, what is cell? The cell is known as the basic structural and functional unit of life. Okay, as all organisms, as all organisms composed of cell are composed of cell. Okay, so the cell is known as the basic and structural and functional unit of life, as all organisms are composed of cell. All organisms are composed cell. Okay, so cell is known as the basic and structural and functional unit of life, as all organisms are composed of cell. The single cell organisms are called unicellular, just like amoeba and paramecium, while those having more than one cell, this is called multicellular organism. Just example like animals, human creature and all creature is just forming created by a multicellular organism. So the cell is known as the basic and structural and functional unit of life, as all organisms composed of cell. The single cell organisms are called unicellular. The single cell organisms are called unicellular. The single cell organisms are called unicellular. Unicellular unicellular. The single cell organisms are called unicellular. Example, amoeba. Amoeba is a single cell animal. Okay, the single cell organisms are called unicellular. Example, amoeba and just like paramecium. While those having more than one cell are called multicellular organisms. While those having more than one cell are called multicellular. Are called multicellular organisms. Okay? All basic and chemical and physiological function of living beings like repair, growth, movement, and immunity and communication and digestion are carried out inside the cell. Okay, so this is a very little bit description here. What is cell? Okay, so answer, the cell is known as the basic structural and functional unit of life, are composed of all organisms are composed of cell. Okay, as all organisms are composed of cell, the single cell organisms are called unicellular, just like amoeba, while those having more than one cell are called multicellular organisms. Okay, so we will end this video here, and I will request to all, please subscribe, like and more, share and press red button for upcoming notification for this next series. And this is a very interesting fact of cell. Okay, this is a part 3. Okay, so stay home. Thank you.